Hello and welcome to another awesome tutorial. Today we will be talking about how to mirror extrusions. This is something I've been struggling with lately, so I figured I would make a tutorial on it for this week. So to start off, we will select the model. We have this all as one generic model, so we'll do edit in place to kind of see what we're working with here. And so the extrusion we want to mirror is this, and it's like, I found it's a very specific order you have to do it in, that doesn't seem to work for me. So we'll select what we want to mirror, which is that, and we want to mirror to this side, right? Cool. And then we will click on the view we want to mirror it from. So I have a pediment view, which is just kind of a view of this thing here. And as you can see, what we have selected here is what we want to mirror. And we will click the mirror command here. Not this one, because this is like if you already have an access point, which you see we don't. So we'll draw the point, and so we'll find a little triangle. See, okay, there's two of them, that's weird. Find a triangle here. This is the center of this line. And then we'll just click away, make sure it's a perpendicular angle, and bam. Looks like it did it to that other side. Woo! What fun. Okay. So yeah, easy enough. And I found that you have to do it like just like that, or else it won't work. Like for example, and still use that. Let's try it again. So let's say we click on the model, then we click on the mirror command, then we go to the view we want. There's no, you can't do it. Like you don't have any lines to peg to, just like a wall, and like that's not helpful at all. So I don't know why this is the case, but you have to not that. Finish model. You have to finish the model, right? Click on it again. And wait a minute for the buffer. There's a lot of pieces in there. Okay, click on. Oh, it didn't do it. Okay, click edit in place again. Let's try this. Okay, then click on the thing we want to model. Then the view we want to model from. And then we can just, bam, there it is. And you have to do it just like that. I don't know why, but if you're having trouble like mirroring extrusions, try it in that order.